we're going to start in our mountain pose, so the outside edges of our feet are parallel to one another. We're standing up nice and tall here, shoulders are relaxed. Inhale the arms up overhead, then with our chest extended, leaning forward, we're coming down, hinging from our hips, allowing our tummy and our torso. I'll show you from the side how that looks. Our tummy and our torso are resting on the tops of our thighs here. We're coming all the way down, releasing the head and the neck. In this pose, you're welcome to keep a soft bend in the knee, especially since we're still just warming up. But of course, you are welcome to straighten those legs if you would like to get a bit more of a hamstring stretch. But what I'm going to invite you to do is just let those arms hang. You can sway them from side to side. You can grab onto alternate elbows, allowing the weight to fall into the front part of your feet, but also just really letting that head and that neck release. The beautiful stretch is to release any tension in your back. Now, of course, if you do have any low back issues, you might want to keep that bend in the knees and not let yourself completely collapse forward.